Hey, what's up everyone? Todd here from Image. We're gonna do some washing today on this dump truck. It is very dirty, so you guys will be able to see. We're gonna be using our Touchless 1 and 2 and then the new wax replacement. So this way it'll give you a good show of how the products work. So the Touchless, we're just gonna do 1 and 2, foam it on, rinse it off, and see this nice little brush here. You probably have seen other videos where guys are selling a single step and they're whipping this thing in the air. But in reality, you need this once in a while. So I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm gonna use it today. And the reason why is there are areas on these trucks where you need to brush, especially the exhaust, visor, roof, cab lights, mirrors once in a while. You're always gonna want one of these just in case. But today I'm gonna brush up top there by the exhaust a little bit, just because this thing has been a while since it's been washed. And then once we get it done, we're going to put the new ceramic wax replacement on there, and we'll be able to show you what it does. All right, thanks.